Hi there, this is Tony and welcome to the Ebizzers card video demo. Today we're going to talk about the products in the Ebizzers cart. Alright, how you can customize your product area. Okay, so first step is to go to your catalog and then products. There you go. Well, product is the area in which users build the list of their products. So this is the warehouse area, and the first step is I will be showing you how to delete all default products to make space to the to your own product placement. Okay, so for this area I already deleted the default products. All right, so if you're a beginner, what you will see on that area are product 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Okay, so what I did was I clicked the box beside image, alright, and then click delete. So all those default products had been deleted. Alright, now what I'm going to show you is how you can insert a particular product. So just click insert. It is located in the right top of your e-commerce account, Ebizzers account. Alright, so on the product form, it is composed of 7 tabs. So the general tab, data tab, link, option, discount, special, and image tab. Alright, on the general tab you can see the languages that you can use, the product name, keywords, and the description. So you must write a product title or name in the product name. Now you have to pay attention to insert the product name in all title of each languages if you're using multiple languages here. Alright, otherwise system will block the product. Alright, or system will block the product building because product name is a mandatory field for all language that you can manage in e-commerce. Alright, that is if you only use multiple languages, but if you only use one language like English, it's not a problem. Alright, so in the description you must write a complete description which will be displayed online in the product description so buyers can read the features of this product. Next is the data. Alright, model is also a mandatory field. As you can see, there's an asterisk here. Alright, so that means it's a mandatory field which you must write the model or type of product you are building. Now in the status it is always enabled. Alright, that's the default. So you don't need to change this option, otherwise products will be out of stock. Alright, now on the price, this is the cost where online buyers can see the product. Alright, you should put the real cost for the final customer. Alright, if you want a prepayment price like this one, if you want a prepayment price, now you have to activate or you have to active the module of prepaid payment. So I will explain that to you in the future. Now if you want, you can insert the cost, which is the cost of that the owner of the e-commerce of this e-commerce website pays for his supplier, and this value is useful to the system to build a statistic between revenues and expenses. Alright, I'm getting tongue twisted now. Next is the tax class. Well, it's your choice to add a value added tax to the product cost. So system will add the VAT to the cost you have inserted in the price. Now, if you want the prices with VAT included, you don't need to choose an option in tax class and keep it to non-value. So you can manage only price value as final cost that buyers will pay online for the product. Alright? Now the quantity. For the quantity, you must set how many pieces you have at your disposal in your warehouse. And if this product doesn't have a limited number of pieces, you should insert a high number as 1,000. Now in the minimum quantity, it's the number of pieces buyers can buy in every order they will make. Now keep 1 as default. So just 1 as the minimum. Now if you set 2, buyers can buy 2 pieces of this product at least. So the good solution there is make it 1 as default. Now for the subtract stock, it is always set to yes, because to subtract the amount from the warehouse in every orders buyers will make on the e-commerce. So if products are unlimited, or e-commerce owner can have the products in every moment, even if exhausted, you must set this value to no. Now we will set it to no. On the out of stock status, it's a default status of the product's availability. So by default, remain to out of stock. Now every customer set this value as they prefer. On the required shipping, it's a value you must select if product requires expedition. Now in the SKU, it's the product code, or a unique identifier that identifies a product line or a product type. Now every shop has their own SKU. On the missed location, it is the location in which the product is located. Now we have SEO keyword, or the search engine optimization keyword. It is a feature that will be deleted in a few times. Alright, we will delete this in the future because it should be managed in the general tab. But I'll just explain this to you in the next video. Now the image, you just have to upload your image or the photo. It's the thumbnail of the product, where you can insert your photo or the photo or the picture of the product. Now for the date available, it's the date from which the product will be available. So keep this value as default, which is today, so product will be available immediately. Now for the sort order, keep this value as default as well, but this number is the priority in visualization in the list of products shown in your public website. Okay, for the dimensions, please set if it's in centimeter, what's the length class, the weight, and the weight class. Alright, so next tab will be the link tab. Alright, there you see it. In the link tab, you can see the manufacturer, categories, downloads, and related products. Now the link tab, it is a tab which you can set the hierarchy of the products in the menu of categories and subcategories. Now in fact, you can see the categories option, in which you can see categories and subcategories that must be associated to the product. So product must be associated to a subcategory in his parent category. Our product must be associated to a category if the subcategory is not expected for his main category. Now, this must be made because the product must be found by online buyers when they search the products by the menu. So they should click on that main category in the menu to show all products of that category and all products associated in this category and all subcategories under this. Alright, or they should click on a subcategory and all products associated to this subcategory must be showed in results. Now on the downloads, there's nothing to choose because this area is useful for all sell digital and non-tangible products. So for example, softwares to buy and to download or similar. Alright, so there's nothing that you can do here. Alright, now on the related products, there you go, this one. It is important to show similar products when a buyer visits the online product page. Alright, so you can choose a category to sell all products under this. And you can choose one or more products to recommend to buyers which are browsing the product you are building now. The next is the option. So you just have to add option here. Discount. Alright, if you have a promo like 50% discount for this for this month, so you just have to add a discount there. Now for the special tab, it's a place where you can make special offers and discounted price, so you can show the public products with a slash on old price and the new price in red. So if you did a price reduction, you will it will appear on that site. Alright, so you must click the add special button, this one. You must click this to show options to complete to build a special offer for this product. So you only have to insert the new price, so your product will have this special offer in the price. Now you can also set a date. Alright, so you can also set a date to the start date and the end date of the special promo. Alright, if you want to give a period to your offer. Alright, next one is the image tab. Now, the image tab is a place to build galleries for your products in addition to the thumbnail photo you created in the data tab. So, people will see all the products that you're selling, so they will have an idea about the looks of the product. Now, you just have to click add image, in which you can import the new image to insert and to be selected to associate the new image with the first photo of the gallery. Alright, now to insert another image, you must click again add image and repeat the operation for every image you want to insert in the product gallery. Then click save button. It is above on the right and your product will be made. Alright, now if you click on storefront, it is right beside the logout. I hope you're already familiar with the storefront. Alright, because we are using this several times. Now on the storefront, you just have to refresh the browser cache and you can show your new product online and ready to sold under this category and subcategories. So I will be recording more demo videos of Ebizzers. We'll see you soon.